Welcome to Sci-Chat Mindset. Science begins with curiosity. Ever wondered how scientists connect observations, predictions, and testing to explain the mysteries of the universe? Today, we'll uncover the process step by step. The first step in science is observation. It involves noticing patterns and details in phenomena that demand explanation. Observations should be clear, precise, and free from personal bias. Next comes forming a hypothesis, a tentative explanation based on the observations. Predictions are then made to test the hypothesis, bridging observation and experimentation. Testing is where hypotheses face the real challenge. Through controlled experiments, we validate or refute our assumptions. For example, by controlling sunlight, we can test if it causes leaves to change color. Take Semmelweis's discovery. High death rates in maternity wards led him to hypothesize that cadaveric particles caused infections. His experiment? Physicians washed hands with chlorinated lime water, which drastically reduced deaths, proving his hypothesis. Science relies on determinism, the idea that natural laws govern cause and effect. For example, Gay-Lussac's law shows the relationship between gas pressure and temperature. Over time, refined observations often replace older theories, like the shift from Earth-centered to sun-centered models. However, observations can be flawed. Anomalies and biases often challenge scientists, like the mistaken belief in canals on Mars. Instruments like telescopes help reduce errors, ensuring reliable data collection. Observations, predictions, and testing are at the heart of science. They drive progress by challenging old ideas, fostering new discoveries, and refining our understanding of the natural world. Science is a journey of curiosity and exploration. If this video inspired you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with others. Stay tuned to Sci-Chat Mindset for more exciting content.